It's cold right now here.
Yeah, I'm in New York. It's freezing here too.
Yeah.
By the way, I have a very bad feedback going on. I can hear myself echo.
Okay. Do you hear me?
I hear you, but I can hear myself. Are you using a speaker, or how are you? What's your audio?
It's wireless. Maybe let me try the non-wireless.
Yeah, check those out.
Go ahead. هات كده. How about now?
Let me see. Yep, that's good.
Okay, I could hear you better.
Perfect. Yeah. All right. What's your name?
My name is Zuhair Hussein.
Zuhair, how are you?
Good, good. How about yourself?
All right, good. So, have you been on Pitch Investors Live before?
I missed 2 weeks ago with your dad, but I didn't pay attention for my messages except the second day because I was busy. Yeah, but
Okay.
This is the first time.
Awesome. All right, so just a little, a little bit of house rules, I guess. So you and I are talking to each other one-on-one here, but we also have an audience potentially watching us throughout the world. So it's not just you and I, but it's you to many. So let's hear what you got going on.
Okay, sure. I'm a type person. I like maybe you are going to ask me more questions down the road, more than what I want to present, but I'm going to give you a brief summary what I have. Okay. I'm economist. My background is in Wall Street. Okay. Stocks, options, futures, Forex, all these things, trading. So I came up with an idea where, there is risk involved in the market, big risk. Plus big reward, depends how you look at the market. So I came up with the idea with very, very low risk and to make very, very good return. Unbelievable. So when I was talking to my friends before about what I got, and after testing for so long years to come up with the right rate of return, about 40%, they were joking me. They were saying it's too good to be true. It's impossible and so on. I was telling them, it's ready. Here is the video. Here is the things that you see it, how it develops from negative to positive over time. And I'm saying minimum 40%. It depends about the accounting rule people they use. Whether they are using, let's say, just give you an example. Let's say if I have $1 million account, I will use only 50%, which is $500,000. The $500,000, I'm able to generate minimum net about 40% yearly return. With a peace of mind, no headache. I don't need the clients to worry about their money or anybody to worry about what I'm doing because they are going to see it is growing, is developing over time from negative at the first week or so, like maximum risk I have seen testing for the last few years shouldn't exceed more than 3%. The first 10 days. And then it's going to go up slowly, but surely positive to get to hit my targets, which is I'm looking, if it is short-term strategy, is about 10% every 3 months. So for the year, it's 40% minimum. When I say minimum, because if we reuse the profit that generated every 3 months, so it adds up over time. This is without interfering or doing any trades or whatever. Just only I open the positions and I let it sit there, watch it, and I choose the moments in 3 months, and I close the position and roll it over for the next position, etc.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, you can, if you want. Okay. All my clients, whatever I say, I have videos on daily basis. Like I could show you something right now. I know you'll not be able to see it.
What is this though? What is this, a platform or technology? Is it just you, or what is it? What do you got?
No, it is okay. It's not automated trading. I figure out certain things in the market where I benefit from it to generate this much of return. And I know you will be my partner. I am hoping you don't want me to to disclose so much in on air for so many investors. I don't want them to find out what I'm doing. But you will see me and you in closed behind doors. You will be able to see everything that I say is coming as I said. And I go extra step more. I am willing to take the risk. I'm willing to take the risk. So I want my partner or investor to feel comfortable about their money. Plus, I don't want them their money to give it to me. They can open their own accounts and they watch what I'm saying is coming true.
Okay.
So it is, I mean, I have been, because of these things, what I have is very secret, so you don't need people to know what you are doing. I only let a very close friend to test it, real money, and he got exactly what I was telling him to get in terms of the return. But at the beginning, he tried with very little money. Let's say he put about $32,000. We only used $10,000. In about 70 days, about 1,960 profit generated. And he's gonna, next week, what he told me, because he's traveling right now, he's coming back from Mexico next week, and he's gonna put 50,000. But I'm not looking for a small amount of money based upon what I have been doing. They are getting these results. So my result is gonna be it's going to be achieved no matter what the market conditions, whether the market is up or down, I don't care. And the result is there all the time. I could say the formula is like a formula for life, because the result I'm get last month, 2 months ago, a year ago, is the same as I'm going to get next month or next week or next 2 months, etc. But with the volatility, I might get a little bit more percentage. But the minimum I have seen percentage return, 40% a year minimum. And I'm working on something else to enhance even the results more with little bit of change over time. But at the beginning, because I don't need risk, nor very low risk to the partner, to the investors. So I'm not going to touch anything. We are going to let it go, see the profit, and down the road to enhance the result, a little bit of twist, and I can increase the return even more than that. It's tested, proven, no matter what is there. All the results is I have enough evidence to support my claims.
So what? Sorry, are you raising money for a business, or are you just like what's what's the deal here? What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to get a partner to use the money right away, so there is no overhead cost for whatsoever, because they have done everything to reach these results. I want you to think about what I have done, like a biotech company, like they have, to develop drugs. They go phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Phase 1, just testing till they get the result, and phase 3 when they get approval from FDA, and then small company becomes big company. So the same thing. I did all the I did all the testing. I took the risk, time, day and night, testing, investing money to reach this level. Now I want to cash in, because I'm confident the result is coming again and again before even I talk to any of my friends or people that I know what I got. So the model is proven. It's a hedging strategy. I'm always protecting the capital no matter what, regardless of the market is up or down. Very small risk at the beginning. As I said, it should not exceed 2.5-3% the first week or so. And over time, it's going to get quarterly minimum 10% return. So yearly 40%. And if we use the profit again, that's what I'm saying, minimum 40%.
Okay, so you're looking for an investor. What's the investor get out of it for your business?
I want you to be a partner, not investor and partner. You're going to share the profit with me, or I share the profit with you.
Okay, and then what? And then you just need to go and find other. You just need to go and find clients that you invest their money also, or
I am targeting, or I'm targeting like very wealthy individuals with big money. Maybe we don't need my model to go all over, just to have, let's say, if we get $20 million, I know I will double it, and we keep doubling every 2 years based upon how much I'm using. So if I use 50% of the money, I'm doubling it within 2 years, around 2 years. If I use 40%, it's about 3 years doubling the money.
Right.
And if I use 45%,
Gotcha.
it's 2.5 years.
No problem.
And the rest of the money is cash. So the money, when I use 50% of 10 million, there is, for to support the margin, etc. For the.
So are you building anything within the business besides yourself? Like, if you got hit by a bus tomorrow, would this business still be able to operate?
Yeah, it should operate. Yes, I have my son knows, and I have very close friends that I want them to join me down the road when things pick up. Means there is money, real money is in the market.
But does it rely all on you, or are you building actually something of value?
Okay, about the strategy that I came up with. I'm gonna tell you a secret. Anybody can copy it. The minute someone put it in his account, it will be easy to be copied. That's why I'm trying to be protective about what I got in. So anybody could copy it. The only thing is I let people very trustworthy or partners to do the business.
Okay.
So
do you have a business plan?
This is I believe, well, what I have is not only idea. The business plan is right now is money to be put in the market right away. So okay, I don't need the money.
So what can you show me though? Like, what can you show me is like, if I say, hey, like, I want to do this, send me some information on it first. Like, what can you show me? Okay,
I could show you photos, videos, real account, someone who try the formula that I trust, a friend, and we got the result that I get.
That's what I like to see. Can you send me all that information?
Definitely, I will. Definitely. Okay. So I have videos, photos, etc. Okay. The only thing is I need to edit the videos because, what I'm saying is not for you. I know you're going to, hopefully you like what you see. I will hide the position. The only thing is you're going to see profit loss daily, and it's growing over time. Sure. So whatever time and that's what I'm saying, if we get together in a meeting behind closed door, I'll give you the option. You choose the date, the time. I don't care, whatever you choose, and I run it, and you will see the result. What gotcha. I'm expecting to get it right there.
Gotcha. Okay. So send me that info. Can you take my email address down right now?
Sure.
All right. It's Brian, BRIAN, at kevinharrington.tv. Send me that info. Let me take a look. I mean, it's one of my partners in Chicago. Maybe you guys can meet up. I'd love to learn more.
Definitely. I mean, what I came up, it took me so much testing data day and night to make sure that I was even doubting myself. Am I getting this result? Is it clear? Is it real? Not real? Or is it what I'm saying? Is it too good to be true? But finally, I'm when I got it correctly, I'm going, talking to people or talking to individuals wealthy with money and so on, or to be a partner with me. Yes.
Yeah.
And go ahead.
No, good, perfect. So send me that info, and then we'll follow up.
Definitely.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome, and thank you for your call, and I appreciate your time.
Yeah, likewise. You too.
You're doing a good job, guys. I like that. Take care. Have a good weekend.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.